Welcome back to the channel. It's Australia Day. It's our first Australia Day in Australia. We're at Bribie Island. We're actually just across the pond in Sandstone Hotel.
Point? Yeah.
At Sandstone Point, yeah. They're doing like an Australia Day event, something like barbecues, I think a lamb barbecue, some eating contest. They've got like a 50-metre slide. So we're just going to check it out, and then I think we're going to go over across to the other side of the pond.
Yeah, for fireworks.
To see some fireworks this evening. Be an exciting one. Not really too sure what we're getting ourselves in for. We can't drink, thankfully, because we drove, so be a non-alcoholic one. But let's see what happens.
Mocktails.
Mocktails for two.
On the menu. It's so nice, isn't it?
Oh, that's a
big old area.
It is.
Good. Thank you very much for trying. I'm sorry when you get any winners in there for you.
Bit of gem hunting, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Get a random gem, yeah, $9 per person, that's pretty epic. Lovely jewellery, yeah. What birthstone are you, Sabrina?
I'm jade, I think. What are you? I think you're a diamond, aren't you?
Oh yeah, I'm a diamond.
Diamond in the rough.
We can't afford a diamond, but we can afford a jade. And your middle name's Jade.
It is jade.
And there's one right there, isn't it?
Jade.
Or is that Green Adventure?
Green Adventure or Ruby in the... I've got some of these at home.
Yeah, they're cool, aren't they? Like half sliced open rocks.
Inside.
Beautiful.
And that's like a normal stone.
Normal stone.
Cut it open.
Australia buffalo sauce?
Dude, I would love to try the strawberry chili sauce. That
The
sounds
what? Strawberry chili?
Yeah. Pineapple infused barbecue sauce.
Right, we got here award-winning strawberry cream, first place on the Mr. Chili competition.
Yeah, nice.
It's smoked habaneros and strawberry. Goes well with your crispy bacon, air-fried chicken wings. Goes well with your pork belly. You name it.
Well, that's really nice.
Well, that is nice.
That's got a kick to it.
Spicy.
All right. Second place on the medium heat category. It's smoked garlic, mango, red can chilies. Yeah.
Wow, okay.
Based on this one, guys.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, that's nice as well.
It's different heat because it's different chili.
Yes.
Jesus.
Spicy.
That's all.
This one here, you want to try still?
Yeah, let's go.
Yes, this one here is pineapple infused barbecue sauce.
Wow, okay. So we actually bought some, didn't we?
The original one came second, right?
Second in the most spiciest, nicest mango, smoked garlic, red chilli, and yeah, brewed in Australia. Australian chili sauce. Pretty cool.
Really yum.
Made on Bribie Island as well.
Yeah. The heat like comes afterwards. Like the strawberry one was like, it tastes like strawberry jam, and then it was like heat.
Yeah, but it's lovely though, isn't it?
Yeah, really, really good.
Here's the stall. Pretty sick. Cheers, guys.
Saucy hot dogs.
Got 2 hot dogs. Yeah, a bit.
How much was it?
$2.
That's not bad, is it?
$1 for a bloody hot dog. Oh,
Big buns as well.
Big buns. Cannot lie.
No, well, what would you call like the
Veg.
Yeah, add some of this to it as well, I think.
Mmm.
What do you reckon? Nice sausage?
Nice, yeah. A lot of bread. But nice, yeah. Oh yeah, get that brand new spicy on there. Have we? Go to the oyster shed. I'm assuming it's seafood.
Beach bar, I think it says.
Yeah.
With a man-made beach bar.
Because I'm bloody Marvin, and Sabrina's not particularly hungry, are you?
Well,
Nice this place, isn't it?
lovely.
I feel like I'm in south of France.
Oh, it's oyster shells.
Bloody hell. Gonna get a half bucket of prawns, half kilogram bucket of prawns and some chips. $49, half kilogram prawns and some
43
chips.
actually. Wait ended up being about 45 minutes to an hour.
And the texture.
Yeah, that's why they're gonna text us when it's ready. So yeah, it has arrived.
Yeah, look
at that. It's so fast as well.
I know. It's supposed to be 50 minutes, it took about 5.
I know.
Amazing.
These prawns are huge.
Lovely.
Got our
Prawn cocktail?
prawn cocktail sauce and our mayonnaise.
Oh yeah, are you late?
Do you want to crack one open?
Do it the proper way.
You eating it with a shell?
Shells and legs.
Oh my gosh, controversial.
Mmm.
Or you just saying to say
Yeah, lovely prawns, they're well nice.
Yeah?
Nice prawn. Nothing better than a cut of prawns and a nice hot Australian day. The lamb roast barbecue.
No, we found it.
Wow, that smells nice. Wow.
25 and then $16 for the it's like a burger.
Bloody yeah. Got the whole slip and slide.
Two sides as well.
Yeah, that's crazy, doesn't it?
We stopped. Very relaxed. I'm going to sleep right now.
Trying to go to sleep.
I could. It's actually really nice in the shade now we've moved.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It was so hot under the umbrella earlier.
Get ourselves a cheeky little ice cream.
One of the numbers on the board.
Don't know what we're gonna
Pick
get.
the sauce
Your
spot.
choice of any price.
Yeah, they've got spicy sauce that we bought earlier on one of the ice creams.
No. Share blast. Share blast and a plain Jane.
Sherbet.
Sherbet.
That makes so much more sense.
You were so convinced it was called share blast, weren't you?
Yeah.
It's going to melt well fast.
It's the whippy.
Yeah? Thank you. Cheers.
Look at that, that's a beastie. There's your share blast. Sherbet.
Will I try that?
No, if one of the numbers is inside there, if any one of those numbers is in it, you can pick whatever you want. It's basically...
Really good, it's melting so fast though.
So guys, that's us done at Sandstone Point Hotel.
Yes.
We had a pretty good time. Thought there was going to be a lot more, but it was
Yeah,
good.
we expected a bit more, but I guess just more of a chilled
Vibe,
orientated
yeah.
thing.
And we didn't, we wanted a bit of a chilled out day anyway. But now we're going to go to the beach and get set up.
Yeah, I had a bit of a nap, didn't I?
You had a bit of a nap, yeah, and then slowly get ready for the fireworks.
Yeah, it should be really fun.
Have a couple more cans of Coke.
Getting late.
Passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.
We'll also be selling some below products for $5.
So guys, we're at Brennan Park.
Brennan Park.
Lovely beach. Supposed to be the fireworks going off over there about 7 PM. It's currently 5ish, isn't it?
Lots and lots of people here compared to at the other place. Isn't
Oh
there?
yeah, it's much busier. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? Hopefully the weather doesn't go a bit cracky.
No, it's gone quite cloudy now. It was all clear all earlier today, wasn't it? Get our prawns on.
Bad. Found our spot. Got your shapes. Pepsi and shapes. That's how litty we're getting on Australia Day. We know how to celebrate here on the Zabs and Ants Travels. Quite nice. What would you rate the beach overall?
5.
Out of 10?
Yeah. It's very seaweedy and rocky.
Yeah.
I thought there's a lot nicer beaches on this.
On Bribie Island, yeah. But we've had to come to this one purely because of the fireworks, yeah. But I mean, it's still nice. I mean, the view is lovely though, isn't it? You've got the mountains over there. I don't know if you can see them. I'm sure you can if you're on a computer. You've got some weird looking mountains over there as well when you're going over the bridge. Looks almost like...
Oh my God, you see the top of it there.
Yeah, there's like... Yeah, it's not going to be able to pick out. It's like a top of like a weird peak of... Looks
Really
a bit like a
funky.
Halong Bay mountain, doesn't it? It's weird.
So we're currently waiting for the fireworks
We've got
to
the
go
drone
off.
out.
The drone, yeah.
Look at the view as well.
Should be
It's
any
very
moment
nice.
now. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I think we're just going to go off on the barge that's over there. Yeah, there's quite a lot of people all waiting for it to go off.
Prime viewing. Prime viewing. as
Prime
well.
viewing location.
that's a wrap for Australia Day. I hope you guys had an amazing day. We did, for sure. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. 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 How dark it is.
Makes it light.